Nagpaalam ang choreographer na si Mel Feliciano at humingi ng tawad sa yumaong dating asawa niyang si Ana Feliciano. Ibinuhos ni choreographer Mel Feliciano ang kanyang damdamin online habang nagpapaalam sa kanyang dating asawang, si Ana Feliciano, na isa ring iginagalang na mananayaw at choreographer. In a heartfelt Facebook post on Wednesday, Feliciano wrote, "Paalam Ana, marking his final goodbye." He reflected on the lessons he learned after their separation, particularly in becoming a devoted father to their son, Rupert. Salamat sa pag-alaga kay Rupert, he expressed, before humbly asking forgiveness for how their relationship ended. Tama man o mali ang paghiwalay natin, patawad, he added.